Every military member, swears an oath to support and defend the Constitution. We don't give up basic constitutional rights when we join the service. And we have a Religious Freedom Restoration Act for a reason. So what we've seen is federal courts, yesterday, the court in Ohio issued an injunction against the Air Force from enforcing the vaccine mandate because of religious discrimination. Judges have found that for the Navy. So what's troubling about the Coast Guard and what happened on Monday is the Coast Guard issued guidance that said, not only are we going to move forward with an unlawful order, not only are we going to move forward with religious discrimination and kick folks out, we're going to circumvent the normal administrative separation process. And the instruction says convenience of the government, because it's convenient for the government, they're going to kick out Coast Guard members, some with 18, 19 years, just months short of getting to a 20-year retirement without an administrative separation board. And what we've seen in the Navy and other cases, I've won these cases personally where members have been retained and the Coast Guard isn't even going to give these guys that opportunity. So that's what's so frustrating for me, for my clients, and why I appreciate David. As someone who's retired, he can come in and he's been working with these guys, trying to help them out, being a mentor to them and encourage them. But it's a tragedy what's happening.